Welcome! In this video, you're going to learn exactly how to post a story on Telegram in just a couple of quick steps. Whether you're new to Telegram or simply trying out its latest features, this guide will walk you through the process so you can start sharing your moments with friends and followers right away. The first thing you'll want to do is open the Telegram app on your device. Once you're in, head straight over to My Profile. This is where your personal space is displayed. And from here, you'll find the option to create your story. Next, look toward the top of your screen and tap on the camera icon. If you prefer a quicker shortcut, you can simply swipe left on your profile to instantly bring up the story screen. Both methods work the same, so it's all about finding the way that feels more natural for you. Once you're on the story screen, you'll notice that you have a couple of different choices. You can capture a photo or record a video directly through the Telegram camera, which is perfect for sharing something in the moment. Or, if you already have a picture or video saved, you can upload straight from your gallery. This flexibility makes it easy to share either a spontaneous update or a carefully chosen highlight. After you've selected or created the photo or video you want, the next step is customizing it as you like. You might want to add some quick edits, adjust the view, or include additional details before moving forward. When everything looks good and ready to go, just tap Post. That's it, your story is now live for your contacts to enjoy. They'll be able to view it right away on their Telegram feed. And like any story feature, it's a great way to stay connected and share what's happening in your world. Posting stories on Telegram is designed to be simple, fast, and fun. Now that you know exactly how it's done, give it a try and start creating updates that reflect your day-to-day life.